I'm making $1,200 per day. That's $8,400 per week and more if it continues. I'm up 6 to 7x within days on this play right now. So this is time sensitive, guys. So be sure to like, be sure to subscribe, be sure to turn notifications on so you stay up to date with the latest crypto alpha market wide. All right, guys, this is Bitcoin, and this is the greatest Ponzi that we're seeing right now in crypto. Let's dive in. Okay, guys, here it is, the Bitcoin Ponzi scheme. Now, obviously, it's been out for a couple of days, so we'll talk about that. And please, always do your own research because crypto, and particularly things like this, are extremely risky. Now, obviously, if you want to sign up, it's down below in the description. The referral link is there. Now, once you get into the platform, I would highly recommend that you sign up a Abstract wallet. Okay, that is the global wallet, so that you can earn some XP for their airdrop, which is coming in a couple months' time. Okay, it's unsure when it's going to be, but farm that XP, guys. Explore the chain. Have some fun, which I've been doing every single day now for multiple weeks. And it led to me earning 6 to 7x on my Bitcoin trade. I'm up nearly 10 grand, guys, across that trade in the past week or so. So this is what the platform looks like. So really simply, okay, there's different ways that you can go about it. So you start on a smaller space than this to begin with, okay? And over time, you can upgrade it from a garage to a shed if you want to for a certain amount of Bitcoin, okay? So Bitcoin right now is trading at about what is it? $14, I think it is right now. If we come and have a look, let's just go to the trade and have a quick look, guys. But again, here, $15. So it's at $15 on Abstract. And this is what Abstract looks like. And it's a direct product of Abstract. So if we come back, what you're looking at here is I've got 4 miners going, which means I'm currently earning 65 Bitcoin a day. Now, that does come down as more miners are created, as more people spend more money in the ecosystem, I start to lose my hash rate percentage. Now, as you can see here, it's currently at 0.031 with this setup. I've got 2 gaming PCs. I've got a NVIDIA PC, and I've got just a Raspberry Pro as my 4 miners, okay? I've got a little Abstract bling there because I'm a massive Abstract fan. Now, ultimately, guys, I flipped my money. I literally 2x my money within a day just by purely mining new Bitcoin. And as you can see down here, I'm up about 9 big since I claimed only a couple of hours ago. So as you can see, 65 Bitcoin per day, which is still currently about $1,200 US per day. So that's nearly 8 grand in a week, guys. So this is a Ponzi scheme, obviously, because the more you spend, the more it burns the token supply, and then it obviously brings your hash rate down, etc., etc. So you can dive into it. There's a lot of analysts on Twitter. I've been tweeting about it a lot, okay? And I got in quite low. I got in about 3 million way down here in this range down the bottom. So I am up considerably at this point in time. But there's still a good opportunity at the moment, I think, to still come in and explore and earn a bit of XP because that's definitely going to be one of the top contributors to the weekly Abstract XP. So as you can see, you can remove a miner at any time if you'd like up the top here, and you can replace it with a different one. Now, obviously, once you fill up your space and don't have enough energy, you will be prompted to upgrade. As you can see, I don't have enough big currently. I only hold 50 big at this point in time. So if we quickly have a look, okay, if I wanted to remove my miner, I don't get my Bitcoin back. So that is something that you do need to be aware of. Once you purchase a miner, you obviously don't get that Bitcoin back. So you can't sell it on a secondary market. Now, as you can see, they do go through. I wonder if I can just select, yeah. So if I select an empty tile, it's not going to allow me to buy because my space isn't big enough. So if I wanted to upgrade, this is the second space, okay? So you start in a smaller shed, then you get to the garage, then you get to the bigger shed, okay? After that as well. And if you see here, as you can see, if I wanted to upgrade, it would cost me 375 big, which is quite a lot of money right now. That's, what is it, $15 times 375, quite a lot of money. So yeah, a couple grand. But then you would obviously have to spend some money on some of these miners. So as you can see here, you can see how much big it's going to generate per day. So as you can see, it takes up 10 watts. Okay, the hash rate is 1,000, and the cost for the Raspberry Pro, which is the bottom entry, is 20 big. Now, ultimately, if you are a big dog, if you're a whale, okay, you can get into this and earn some pretty crazy returns. This one costs 3,000 big, and as you can see, generates quite a lot of hash rate. So a lot of people are still above me. A lot of people are still below me. I'm pretty happy with this. I put $800 in about 3 days ago, and I've pretty much, like I said, I've made about 6 to 7x on that by purely mining some Bitcoin and also swing trading it as well when it broke out of this particular ascending triangle. So for me, guys, this is definitely the biggest Ponzi right now, but it's translating nicely to the Abstract ecosystem receiving a bit of love. So let's dive deeper, okay? So where do you go? Okay, so definitely come to Abstract, guys. Again, there's a link down below. It'll take you to the Abstract platform. Create an Abstract global wallet and start using that throughout the platform. As you can see, you'll start to earn some badges. So connect your Twitter, connect your Discord. If you hold a Pudgy, if you hold a little Pudgy, you can get some bonuses up here. As you can see, if you hold some Pengu, you also get bonuses, guys, for your weekly XP. Last week, I got 55,000. That's huge, okay? The previous weeks before that, I was at 20,000. And I do live streams every day about this, so you can check them out. And there's replays on the YouTube channel, so I'd highly recommend checking them out. But as you use the ecosystem, and again, whilst people technically say this is farming, I'm actually having fun. I'm earning money. Literally, I'm up thousands of dollars over the past couple of days. But as it starts to explore and as Bitcoin starts to get a bit bigger, maybe it starts to top out, what actually wins is this ecosystem. So when you come here, guys, you can come and check out some of the other potential plays on Abstract. So right now, Abster is still it's the mascot, okay, of Abstract Chain. So I'd highly recommend checking it out. I own a bit of Chengu, I own a bit of Abster, I own a bit of Poly, and obviously I own a bit of Pengu as well. So I would highly recommend checking out some of the meme coins on here and swing trading some of them, guys, because some of those charts look pretty juicy for a good move moving forward. Now, a little bit of alpha, guys. I'm using Pandora Swap to swap my ETH into Bitcoin and Bitcoin into ETH once I do claim it. And as you can see, you can claim it at any time. Okay, so I claimed this morning. I could literally click claim right now. It'll pop up like this and it'll prompt me to enter Google Authenticator potentially, and I can approve it and I'll have that $140. As you can see, 9 big is $140, guys. It's crazy. I literally claimed a couple of hours ago. So I'm earning nearly $100 per hour at the moment using this Ponzi. Now, obviously, Ponzi's do come to an end. You would have seen them a lot in 2021, but essentially this could be the start of a bit of a Ponzi meta in cryptocurrency. So do check it out. But yeah, I use Pandora Fund. Okay, it's just like a Uniswap DEX. Okay, it's very simple to use. Now, some easier ways to maybe gain a bit of access to Bitcoin outside of just buying and holding if you wanted to. Okay, again, you are buying at all-time highs, so be wary of that. Is the following. Okay, so Gacha Card, you can sign up for that down below. It's within the Abstract ecosystem as well. Make sure you have an Abstract wallet. Come here, use that referral down below, sign in, and you can actually spend, as you can see here, you can spend money, okay, so small amount of money, and you get meme coins or ETH in return. Now, there is a jackpot, okay, and there's about 25 jackpots per day that go off. And whilst you're farming Abstract airdrop, you're also farming a Gacha potential airdrop. There's a leaderboard up the top where you can check your weekly GP. So GP for them is obviously their leaderboard tracker, so their point system. As you can see, I'm 223rd this week, and all overall, I'm 440 because I've opened quite a lot of cards over the past couple of weeks. But it's about an 80-90% return. So until you hit a jackpot. If you hit a jackpot, you are in profit. So for me, okay, I managed to get this badge last week, which was this one over here. So the Gacha badge where you had to open 500 cards, and I only lost about 10 to 20%, guys, and I was nearly at a jackpot level as well. So if you want to earn some big, just buy some tickets here. It costs $55 for 10, and you could potentially get some ETH or obviously some Bitcoin back, okay? And there's other meme coins here if you want to do those ones as well. This one's Pengu, that one's Pengu, this one's Poly, this one's Repspa, okay, this one's Chengu, Abstar, Newt, and Yup down the bottom as well. All right, guys, the last, two more things I want to talk about briefly about Bitcoin. Another platform on here is Multiply. Again, sign up down below. I'll give you a link to get there straight away. Make sure you have an Abstract wallet. Now, this one is definitely more of a gambling thing. Gacha, you definitely get your money back as much as about 80%, whereas this one is definitely more of a gambling thing. So as you can see, you can choose a multiplier. So if you come down the bottom, approve your Abstract wallet, you can choose a multiplier for where you think this rocket is going to go. Now, as you can see here, at a 50x multiplier, which means if I put $2.50 in, if I get a 50x, okay, I get $2.50 times 50x, as long as the rocket goes above that. If the rocket doesn't go above my multiplier, then I lose that trade or lose that punt or lose that gamble, whatever you want to call it. Now, as you can see, the 50x multiplier on Bitcoin, so if this was to hit, I would get $200 worth of Bitcoin, is only at a 1.6%. Now, you can be a bit more strategic if you really want and go like a 1.5% target, and that dramatically increases your chance to win, 53%, which means you win more than you'd lose in theory based on probability. So Multiply is a great another platform within the Abstract ecosystem that you can earn some LP, as you can see, they have an airdrop as well on their platform. So within their ecosystem, there's so many opportunities to make some money, okay, like this, but also potential money with the airdrops that are coming up. Lastly, guys, if you're someone that likes to LP, okay, so provide liquidity on a lot of meme coins, Abstract also has that on their platform here. So if you would like to, you could open a new position with Big and ETH as well. Okay, so you just come here, you type it in or put the contract address in as well. Might have to copy the contract address for this one. Where am I? There I am. Okay, so if I paste that in, you can select it here. It's bugging out right now, but you can select Bitcoin in this, guys. I'd highly recommend checking out the LP provider if you would like to do that. I have previously done it on ABSTRACT and Chengu and a few of those other meme coins. But guys, ultimately, that's my big, essentially, like I'm making so much money this week. It's crazy. Like Ponzi schemes are very good if you're early, very good if you have a little bit of capital behind you and you follow it and you're trending really quickly. I've already got my initials out. I've taken quite a considerable amount of profit, but I do think there's still opportunity here. Keep an eye on the chart, okay? Eventually, it's going to lose this sort of steep run up, okay? So do keep an eye on that and do start to maybe take some profit out if it does look a little bit weaker. Keep an eye on volume. As you can see, volume starting to come down as well. So it looks like we might get a move maybe over the weekend, whether it's up to the upside even more or to the downside down below. So highly recommend checking it out. As I said, all those sign up links, everything you need to know are down below. I do a live stream every single day on Abstract. I'm going live in a couple hours time, so I'd love to see you there. And the replays, as I said before, are on this channel. If you have any questions, guys, let me know down below. More than happy to help you out. So there you have it, guys. Bitcoin is the biggest Ponzi, but the best opportunity in the crypto market right now. As always, please do your own research. Crypto and particularly Ponzis like this are extremely risky. So please be safe out there. Rotate your profits as soon as possible. Get your initials out as soon as possible. Practice good risk management. If you want more risk management, if you want way more trades, okay, check out GTG. Sign up using the warp.com link down below. We give so much alpha, okay, across stocks, crypto, airdrops, meme coins. Big coin like this, we're up 6 to 7x. We're on a 3.3x on Filecoin already. We're futures and perps trading every single day. We run multiple live streams, so we teach you and educate you to become a better trader. We trade meme coins on every platform. We're farming so many airdrops right now, so do check it out, guys. As I said, the warp.com link down below. As always, thanks for your support on the channel. Please like, please subscribe, and do turn notifications on so you stay up to date. As always, guys, take care, and I'll see you in the next one.